Well, it doesn't happen all the time. But it was really bad last night. See, my girlfriend and I were driving home from this restaurant, and, well, it was so bad we had to roll down the windows. And she said, well, you should probably take the car in, so, well, here I am.
Any kind of sound when she happens?
Yeah, there's a ratchety sound.
Ratchet?
Yeah, like something is catching on something or dragging.
Ratchet?
It's kind of like ripping cardboard.
Oh, like a...
Yeah.
Yeah.
No. It's more like a... No, it's more about there's a person.
Where'd you say this is coming from?
Oh, the passenger side of the car where my girlfriend usually sits. You gotta work hard.
Any kind of smell?
Just terrible.
Like a bell something, like burning oil.
No, it's kind of like egg salad. Yeah, sometimes it's a little Dorito. Do you notice? Oh, intermittently.
Like when you're on the highway, or like when you step on her.
No, I won't notice it all day. For instance, I will go to work, and then I'll come home, and then won't notice it, pick up my girlfriend, go out to the restaurant, and then there it is. It's a little better.
That there's your fart. Standard female flatulation. That noise you keep making when you put your hand up to your face, it's a fart.
You think that she farts?
All the women I know do, son.
So, what do you think is
if they're alive and breathing, they do.
It's funny, but I've been around, and I know women don't fart. They might, well, I mean, they might fuff.
You ever seen a dog run from a fuff?
Fuff does not smell like the raw sewage that's in my car right now.
You open up your door, my hair damn near farted.
This is a mechanical problem with my car, okay? There's a sound followed by an exhaled smell. Now your ad clearly states that this is a full-service mechanic shop, sir, and if that is not the case, then I'm going to take my car across the street.
Well, I don't want that. I apologize.
Really?
The more I think about it, it sounds like it's mechanical?
Exactly!
Yes.
What a relief, huh?
Yes.
Can you imagine the alternative?
Well, it looks like you're going to need a whole new frontal forward cabin manifold curve.
Golly.
Yeah. Well, now your older models, they only had one.
Yeah, I've heard that.
Yeah. Well, your newer models,
Yeah.
they put them everywhere.
Well, there must be 4 or 5.
6.
Or 6? Those damn Japanese!
Damn Japanese. Yeah, that's how it goes here.
Yeah.
Well,
gee.
here's the really bad news, but not too bad. You caught it early.
Well, I that was on the internet last night.
Yeah, well then you know we're gonna have to replace them all.
That sounds expensive.
Really expensive.
Well, whatever it takes.
You know, on the way in,
Yeah.
I noticed your cleaner fluid was low.
That's